Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to scalp the market. Okay, so before I do that, I want to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so you first of all click on this plus icon. After clicking on that, we search for our Ichimoku, which is our first indicator. Right, so you click on this main window plus icon, you search for your Ichimoku. Right, the Tenkan Sen is 9, the Kijun Sen is 9, the Senkun span is 52. To fill, you unfill it. The time frame is all time frame. Right, here you make it color red 3 pixel. The Kijun Sen is color red also 3 pixel. Alright, the rest you make it color white 1 pixel for the remaining 3 here. Okay, so after that you click on done. Right, you are done with that. Now the next indicator we have here is the MACD. So you click on this main window plus icon again, you search for your MACD. Right, so these are the properties. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 5. Apply to its close. The levels you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style you make it color white. Alright, the color of your background 1 pixel. The signal is color blue 3 pixel, and you click on done. Right, now the next indicator we have here is moving average. Alright, so you click on this main window plus icon, sorry, the indicator window 1 plus icon right here, this one, and then you search for your moving average. The properties, the period is 13, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its previous indicators data, second to the last. Levels you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style you make it color red 3 pixel, and you click on done. The last indicator we have here is relative strength index. You click on this indicator window 1 plus icon again, you search for your relative strength index. Right, the period is 1, apply to its close. The levels you make it 8515, color black 4 pixel, you click on done. Right, the style here you make it color white 1 pixel, and you click on done. So once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained it, you are going to have a screen like this one here. Okay, you have a wonderful money making screen like this. So before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so this strategy I'm talking about, even a beginner can use it to make money. Okay, you can use it to grow your small account. Okay, so if you are interested in getting the strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, like I said, even a beginner can use this strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so you come get it and your life will never remain the same. Okay, so that's that about that. All right, back to this topic, back to this strategy right here. All right, now how does this strategy work? How does this particular strategy work? Okay, there are few conditions that you need to apply. All right, there are few conditions that you need to apply in order to take entry with this strategy. Okay, now the first thing you want to note is that you want to allow a spike in the market. So whenever there's a spike in the market and you see that this blue line here is at the overbought level, which is our 15 level or the 85 level. Okay, so in this case is at the overbought level, which is the 80 level. All right, so in this area here, once this blue line gets to this place, it means that sellers will start coming into the market and you want to be taking advantage of that. Okay, so now what you want to take note of next is the main chart. Okay, So you want to watch this candlestick here, this red tick here, cross below our red line here on the main chart. All right. So once it has successfully crossed below the red line on the main chart, you should take advantage of that and pick 5 candles. Okay. So once it crosses, immediately you pick your 5 candles and you exit the market. Okay. You exit and you look for the next opportunity to present itself. Okay. So like I said earlier, you want to allow this blue line here get to the overbought level. All right. So once it has gotten to the overbought level, you wait for your red line here on the main chart, all right, to be crossed with these small candles. All right. So once this small candle cross below the red line on the main chart, then you should take advantage and pick 5 candles. Let me change this color to blue so that I will understand what's happening in the market. So what I want you guys to do now is to go and practice with this strategy. So once you have practiced and you see that the strategy is working for you, then you should go in with your hard-earned money. Okay. So don't just take my words for it. Make sure you practice very well. And once you have practiced and it's working for you, then you can go in with your hard-earned money. All right. So for those of you who ask about the zoom level, you can use any zoom level of your choice, or you can use this one here, same as mine. Zoom out completely, zoom in 1, 2 and 3. All right, you zoom in 3 times and you are good to go. All right. So at this junction, I think I'll be closing the curtain now. All right, I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll be stopping here. Okay, it's left for you now to make your practice, to go and do your practice very well, and once it's working for you, you can apply the strategy and start trading. All right. So for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Do check it out and join. And to my returning viewers, you are welcome back. For those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay. So guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.